Hi friends, I welcome you to another new video. Let's go for a walk to Talsari beach in Bhagarai today. Since it was Ganesh Puja today, we decided to go for a walk somewhere. At about 5 p.m., we set out on our bikes for a walk. Finally, we reached Talsari beach. Talsari beach is full of natural beauty. It is beautiful to looks and as it is captivating. The red crabs add to the beauty of Talsari beach. Red crabs are not seen anywhere else in India. They can only be seen in Baleshwar Sea Beach. To see red crabs, you have to go a little further inland, but you can see red crabs. We did not go further inland because there is a possibility of sea water coming in. You must have seen this boat going into the sea to catch fish. Here people earn their living by catching fish from the sea. Here you can buy various types of sea fish from the nearby shop. There is also a hotel to stay here. You must come here. The queen of our nature, Talsari beach. We come almost always. Talsari beach is located in our own block, but Talsari beach is not that developed. I hope it will be soon. So thank you watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.